Hello, I'm Hendo with Cosgear, and today we're unboxing the Cosears. I'll show you everything included when you purchase your set of Cosears, along with some tips and tricks for using them. All sections of this video are time-stamped below for quick reference too. I was part of the prototyping process for the Cosears, so I'm very familiar with how they work, but this is my first time seeing the finished product and I'm so hyped! Let's get unboxing. It's here, and it's beautiful. The sleeve is really nice, and spoilers, on the side it says what's included in the Cosears. That's pretty nice. So let's open the box and... oh my god! They're so pretty! I love the matte finish and the little shiny Cosgear logos. They've come such a long way. I'm so proud of them. The box presentation is also super cool. I'm definitely gonna read the manual. There's important stuff in here, but I've also been waiting a long time for these ears, so I'm so glad there's a quick start guide on the lid. The finish on the bottom is so clean, and I love that they show you how much they're charged before actually showing you the mode that they're in. It's also super nice that the on button and the mode button are in different spots and they're different shapes, so it's pretty easy to know which one you're pressing without having to take them off and look. These little notches around the magnets look like they'll really help the Cosears stick to their surface. These are already mostly charged, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab the charging cable and give it a little extra juice while I unbox the rest. Look how cute this little box is! Here's the little USB-C charger. You can actually use any USB-C charger to charge your Cosears, but I'm glad that they include one because you can never have too many. This is super cute. A little Cosgear luggage tag. I love free stuff, so nice. This final yellow box has a pair of free cat Cosear covers. For those of you who ordered the flip extensions, you'll also have this little black box. These are used to flip the Cosears to move forward and backwards instead of side to side. It also allows them to orient more narrow, which is especially useful for shapes like bunny ears. I had only seen the prototype before. They're so pretty and clean. They're so polished. Look at the little Cosgear logo. There's a little instruction sheet included, but they're pretty self-explanatory. You just pop them onto the Cos band and then attach the Cosears. Bada boom! Ta-da! That's everything that comes with your Cosears. Under all these little boxes also is a set of instructions for turning the bigger black box into a phone holder. And all the packaging is paper and recyclable. Typical Norwegian engineering. If you have any questions or issues with your Cosears, please send us a message at hello@cosgear.co. For your own pair of Cosears, pre-made covers, or digital patterns to make your own covers, check out cosgear.co. If you're up to it, post a reaction video of your first time wearing your Cosears with the hashtag CosEarsReaction. We do giveaways, rewards, and sometimes even refunds for cosplayers who enter. We ship worldwide, and hopefully we'll see you at a convention near you soon. Don't forget to tag us at Cosgear Official so we can see and share your work too. We can't wait to see what you bring to life.